You know those days where you plan a trade out in advance and you think you're buying in at a great level and you add in and then you add in again and then you end up getting stopped out, and as soon as you get stopped out, the play ends up going your direction? Yep, that's exactly what happened to me today. What is going on, traders? Hope you guys crushed it today. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you what didn't go my way today, as well as what did go my way and the upcoming game plan for tomorrow. Let's get into today's video. So, I want to be completely honest with you guys. I was down a little over $2,000 on this trade here, but I ended up exiting the day net positive. I'm going to show you exactly what I did to get my money back and the reason why I lost money in the first place. So first things first, you see these two key levels. We have 475 and 474.84. This candle, opening candle, we were bullish. We were holding support. Ended up breaking through these key levels, okay? I ended up starting a starter position for calls at around 474.50. But what I told the pre-market live stream is 474 was a great level for calls. So what ended up happening? I got in a little early to play the overreaction and ended up going to my key level. So the way I trade is I'm hitting 25% position, I'm doubling down to 50% position, and then I'm doubling down that to 100% position. The reason why I do this, guys, with options is because I'm bringing down my cost average as I add in. I am doubling down. I'm going 25 contracts to 50, 50 to 100, 100 to 200 if I have to. But usually it's 25 to 50, 55 to 100. That's usually how I trade, guys. And today I ended up getting it early, right? I ended up having 200 contracts near the bottom, and I was telling everyone in this candle, if we make a new low, I'm stopping out. We ended up making a new low. I stopped out, guys. Look at the freaking wick running to all-time highs. The exact play I wanted to get in and I was trading for ended up going a little bit under or an overreaction to the downside of where I originally thought. So this ended up for me getting stopped out, because if we would have made a new low here, usually we're going a lot lower. So this is where I had to have my risk management in play. My risk management made me go from $0, guys, or a few $100s, few $1,000s to a seven-figure trader solely based off of my risk management. I know my risks day to day. I'm not over leveraging myself, but I do know my risk. If I'm trading heavy and I have heavy size, there's a certain limit that I'm going to reach before I get stopped out. I ended up getting stopped out. It hit my max risk, and this is what happened. The exact play I entered, I alerted to the Discord with my price targets. It happened. It all happened. It actually went higher than my expectation. But guess what? I did not capitalize on that because I got stopped out, because I am programmed to respect my risk management. I know that if a certain level hits and I'm in a certain amount of contracts, this is the max line I'm willing to risk on this trade. Whether I end up being right or wrong, I'm freaking stopping out. And this is what happened. I got stopped out. So when this play ended up going in my direction, do you know what I did? Absolutely nothing. Did not touch anything. I owned my L. I bought where I'm supposed to buy, guys. I doubled down where I'm supposed to double down, and my max risk hit. But I ended the day green, and I'm going to show you exactly how. I alerted to the Discord my key levels today, as well as the pre-market live stream. My highest key level today was 476.51. I ended up hitting one day out 476 puts, guys, and this in one trade made me green. There was a Fed speaker. This was an overreaction, but I bought in where I'm supposed to buy. This was a 15-minute hold, and it just ended up falling off a cliff. I'm very grateful I was able to get out green on the day. Not a lot of people were able to, but I was happy, guys. I played the key levels that I'm supposed to be buying at. I owned my L. I didn't FOMO in. I didn't rebuy back in. I took the L, I swallowed it, and I waited patiently for the next best setup at the best price. And that was alerted live on the Discord, as well as that play was alerted as in my top key levels today at 476.51. I ended up getting 476 puts one day out, guys, and I went from deep red to decently green on the day. Not the biggest green day, not a daily goal or nothing, but hey, I went up money today, a few $100s. More than happy, guys. It's better than walking away with an L. But this just comes down to your risk management and your self-discipline. I got stopped out literally near the lows of day. Do you know how much that pisses you off when you get stopped out of a play and it continues ripping? That has happened to me multiple times. So do you know what I did? I just sat on my hands. I'm just watching the price action. I'm waiting for the best key levels to hit. 467.51 was one of the best key levels to hit. I ended up taking puts with options Dr. Ryan, and thank God we did, because we printed on that. I went from deep red to positive on the day, guys. And it's just from pre-planning and waiting for the best entries. That's what trading is all about. And what I try to preach to people is losing is a part of trading. You need to get good at losing before you get good at winning. Because anyone can make money in the stock market. It depends on how good you are at losing. You see how I was in one of the best plays of the day today. I was literally in calls right here, guys. I got stopped out right here. Literally hit my stop loss. Made a new low, instant bounce. I didn't chase anything. I didn't FOMO anything. I sit back and I'm like, I need to wait and find the best setup next. And that's what happened. And I deserve to be paid because I waited for the best level. I let the best level hit. I had the confirmation of a resistance at our key level. I ended up sizing in. Bam. That's how you go red to green. A lot of people would have got stopped out here, for instance, right? Buy calls up here, get stopped out again for a bigger loss. Come back up, buy calls right here, get stopped out. You just need to wait. If you end up missing a trade or you get stopped out, you have to learn to walk away. Like, do not get back into a trade that you got stopped out of. Do not do it, because it's just because sometimes you may still be wrong and make a small loss or a decent sized loss into a way bigger loss. My rules, if I get stopped out of the play, I'm not playing that play anymore. I'm waiting for the next best setup to hit. And that's exactly what I did. Ended up shorting near highs of the day today. And today should have been a crazy green day, guys. I was calling puts at this candle. My brokerage wasn't open. Missed this play. Wicked put. And then my calls, I got in a little too early. Hit my max risk, got stopped out. Today would have been a banger of a day. And as long as I walk away green, I'm very happy. So let's go over the game plan for leading into the rest of the week. So what I'm looking at right now, heavy resistance, 475.28. This is heavy resistance. Where's the next heavy resistance? 475. You just follow this line, 475, all the way across. We have big resistance. But when we make it support, we get a big run. Once we make 475 support, we get another big run. So 475 is going to be our major key level tomorrow, because the price has shown us that every time we use 475 on the 5-minute time frame as support, we're going to get a nice bounce. And once we reject it, we're getting a sell-off. Reject it again, we're getting a big sell-off, right? So 475 is going to be the make or break it. I'm also going to be paying attention to the high of today, around 476.60, and the low of the day around 473.05. That's the game plan moving forward, guys. We should gap up tomorrow, in my opinion. That's what I'm anticipating. We may not, right? I live stream every day, Monday to Friday, guys, at 9 a.m. I will be giving you an updated price analysis moving forward for the rest of the day in the morning, as well as my upcoming the game plan for the rest of the day, the best key levels, depending if we gap up or down tomorrow. I'm going to be giving you guys the best levels. If you'd like to be part of the Discord, guys, the link is in the bio. We have a 5-day free trial. We live stream every day. All these trades are not just typed on a keyboard. We are walking people through it. And today was one of those days where it did not work out as planned. The play still worked, and it banked heavily, but it hit my max risk. And myself as a day trader, I know I need to respect my max risk, because if I don't, there is a chance that I will lose a lot more money. And that is something that I will never do again, is blow up accounts, lose any more money than necessary, and I just stick to playing the best setups at the best prices. So that is pretty much the game plan for today. Out of 550 people, guys, I think we had like 18 or 20 people read. So there's a lot of people that still did very well today, which I'm very proud of, guys. Just playing off the key levels. The key levels printed. 474 printed, 476.51 printed. It all depends on what type of trader you guys are. So we are back in the Discord tomorrow morning. I will be live at 9 a.m. Eastern time for the pre-market analysis. Make sure you stay for that video, guys. And that's everything, guys. Thank you so much again for liking, commenting, subscribing to all these videos. It means a lot to me. It's doing wonders to the Discord and the YouTube. We're growing at a crazy pace right now, and I'm so thankful to have each and every single one of you guys supporting me. So thank you guys so much. Tomorrow is a new day, guys. I plan to make a lot of money tomorrow. Today is one of those days that just sucks, especially when you had near the low of the day, you get stopped out and play goes against you. It is what it is. Tomorrow's a new day, guys. If you're red today, don't worry. We're making it back tomorrow. If you're green today, good work on you guys. We're about to make a lot more money for the rest of the week. Take care, everyone. I'll see everyone tomorrow morning. See you guys later.